Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i from the application. And for the iPhone we can install two applications and connect them to both this application. The first one is HUAWEI Audio and the second one is HUAWEI Life. Firstly, I will show you how to remove it from HUAWEI Audio, and then we will move to the HUAWEI Life. I will remove it also from this application. So, open HUAWEI Audio, then click at the icon at the right top. Near to your earbuds, you will find this trash icon. Click on it, and then click Remove. Then, if we move to the settings, we still have connection with the phone. I will show you later on the HUAWEI Life how it works. So we just remove them and we still have them at the phone. Now let's move to the HUAWEI Life. So let's open it. And you have two options how to remove your earbuds. Or at the device list, you press and hold at your earbuds and click Remove Device button. Or you tap at your earbuds, click at the three dots at the right top and click Remove Device here. And then remove. Let's check it. Right here, if I click at the Remove Device, I have the same window. Remove. Cancel. Now, let's move to the settings and we still have connection. That's really funny because previous it also removed your earbuds from your phone, and it do this on Android. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.